Good morning, friends. Welcome to our channel. Dr. D.V. Ramanamurthy, PhD Management. Today's discussion is on focus, the hidden driver of excellence. Why we need to focus on our life-changing strategies in order to achieve the results to the optimum level. So let's find out some of the important hacks or strategies for peak performance. You know that is very necessary for us to focus on what's going on when life gets blurry. So there is every need for us to sharpen our focus. Let's examine some of the interesting strategies that we can take note of. Are you interested to sharpen your focus? Sharpen your focus to achieve more with less. A laser sharp mind lets you to block transactions that waste time and energy, master tasks faster and with higher quality, reach a state of flow where peak performance feels effortless. Pursue your goals with unwavering determination. Let's examine 10 hacks to sharpen the focus. Hi, I am Dr. D.V. Ramanamurthy, PhD Management. Welcome to our channel, Dr. D.V. Ramanamurthy, PhD Management, an initiative from Adivi Foundation, Hyderabad. Please do watch, like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more inspirational videos on professional development. Let's take up the discussion. Strategy 1. The focus, the untapped superpower. Focus is a skill, please note, not a magic trick. Just like any muscle, it can be strengthened with training. Imagine an athlete training for a marathon race. They won't expect peak performance without consistent practice. The same applies to focus in life-changing events. Explore mindfulness practices like meditation and attention training exercises to boost your focus muscle. The second strategy, 3 phases of focus, kindly recognize. Mastering different types of focus is key to success. 1. Inner focus. Pay attention to your thoughts and emotions. For example, a student quieting himself, self-doubt during a test. 2. Outer focus. Direct your attention to the task at hand. For example, a surgeon concentrating on the details of an operation. 3. The outer focus. Connect and understand the people around you. For example, a leader of a company actively listening to their team for effective performance. Identify the types of focus needed in different situations to optimize your performance. Strategy 3. Don't fight the wanderlust. Mind wandering is a natural process. Don't beat yourself up, but gently redirect your attention. Imagine a writer getting lost in a daydream while working on a deadline. They can gently bring their focus back to the story. When your mind wanders, acknowledge it without judgment and refocus on the present moment. The 4th strategy, flow, where focus meets magic. Flow states for peak performance. When your inner and outer focus collides in a state of intense absorption and enjoyment to enter a flow of state. It's called a flow state. This is characterized by peak performance, effortless concentration, and sense of timeliness. Techniques like Setting clear goals and eliminating distractions can help cultivate flow states. Strategy 5. Mindfulness enhances focus. Mindfulness practices cultivate awareness of your thoughts and emotions. This allows you to better manage distractions and maintain focus on the present moment. Techniques like mindful breathing and body scans can be of immense help. Strategy 6. Focus flows emotion. Your emotions significantly influence where you direct your attention. Cultivating positive emotions like joy and curiosity fosters better focus and performance, while negative emotions can be distracting. Techniques like gratitude practices or reframing negative thoughts can help manage emotions. Seventh strategy. Technology disrupts focus minded. Be mindful of technology's impact on your attention span. Implement strategies like digital detox breaks, limiting notifications, and using apps that block distracting websites to minimize distractions during focused work periods. The eighth strategy. Sleep rules focus. Your sleep cycle. Mind your sleep cycle. Adequate sleep is vital for cognitive function and focus. Prioritize sleep hygiene by establishing a regular sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routines, and getting enough restful sleep each night. The ninth strategy. Stress impacts your focus minded. Chronic stress can significantly erode your ability to focus. Engage in healthy coping mechanisms like exercises, relaxation techniques, and seeking social support to manage stress and improve your abilities and concentration. The last but not the least, the 10th strategy. Focus starts with a purpose, mind it. A strong sense of purpose provides direction and motivation, which in turn enhances your ability to focus. Clarify your personal and professional goals to give your focus a clear target and boost your concentration. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. From now on, focus on your determined strategies to navigate life. Please do watch and subscribe our channel for more inspirational videos on professional development. Dr. D.V. Ramanamurthy, PhD Management. See you in the next program. Until then, take care, good luck, and thank you.